So as an athlete and part of a team sport, trust always plays an important role. Trust in one's ability, believing in my teammates, and having that confidence to rely on our coaches and mentors' decision are just some things we deal every single day. It takes a lot of effort to build trust. We have to work for it constantly and continuously so that we can achieve our goals. And with that, I hope we do continue to build trust amongst each other, though we're from different fields, to make a difference in our society. Again, thank you so much to Reader's Digest for this recognition. Thank you to all the brands and people who believe in me and who believe in this sport. And thank you so much for recognizing women in sport.